Hi, I'm not sure how many of you remember this, but I believe this is the first repair I've done on this channel. For those who don't know, I will leave a link up here somewhere. And the problem with this is that it had a very bad screen burn. I replaced the front polarizer, but there's still an issue. As you can see, there are some indentations. I couldn't find many solutions for this on the internet. Most people recommended that I replace the back polarizer and also the back reflector. I tried searching on those on AliExpress, but I also found something else. This is a backlight. I'm gonna attempt to install this into this and see if I can fix this minor issue, as well as maybe improve the quality of the screen by lighting it up. So let's get started. Now that I have access to the back of the screen, I can peel this sticker off. What I've seen others do online is they stick the blade under both the polarizer and the reflector and remove them together. Let's see if I can do that. I'll stick some masking tape on the screen, so it would be harder for me to scratch it. Finally. I wouldn't be surprised if I broke the screen already. I did break the screen. I think I've seen people soldering the ribbon cable joints, but I'm not sure if I'm able to do that. Anyway, let's continue. the newbie editor here. Before you say something, I've already noticed that I mounted the screen with the wires in the wrong direction, but I'll fix it later on. I was pretty happy with the results. I was just really annoyed by the broken screen, and I tried to play around with the ribbon cable a bit. The lines are disappearing if I put some pressure on the chip, so I think the easiest solution for now is to stick some foam underneath the ribbon cable, so it will keep some pressure. I'll have to try it out and see if it works or not. The newbie editor again. First of all, I totally forgot to film the part where I put the foam underneath the ribbon cable, but trust me, the foam is there and it worked, at least for now. Second of all, at this point I thought I was finished with the console, but to me it looked a bit weird. The color of the screen was too dark, so I looked around and it seems that I've put the polarizer in the wrong direction. So I tested it out and yeah, it looked good, but not really. So after thinking about it for a while, I decided that the best solution was to disassemble it again and try it one more time. After too much time spent on this one, I finally managed to make it look right, and I really like it. But now the real question is, how long will the screen last? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle a bunch with this console. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.